In today's video, I want to walk you through the step-by-step process on how I designed this beautiful flyer in Adobe Photoshop. My name is Robert. If today is your first time being on my channel, then I welcome you to this channel. Consider subscribing, and if you are subscribed, thank you so much. Now let's get into the video. Right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to set our canvas size. Alright, then we are going to use the 9 by 10 that we normally use, and then leave everything as it is. Make sure that the unit is in inches, then click on create. Good. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is to design our background. So head over to this guy, click on it, and then click on solid color. Alright, and then this is the color that we are going to use. Okay, so we are using this color code. I think this is okay for me. Now click on OK. I'll create a new layer on top of that, and then come here, change your foreground color to this color here, click on OK, and then grab your brush tool, right? Then increase the size of your brush. Make sure that you select the soft round brush under the general brushes, and then apply the brush effect here like this, right? So this is okay for me, and I'm going to adjust it a little bit like this. Okay, this is okay for me. And then click on this guy, and let's head over to our folder. Now you're going to drag and drop this image, stock image, right here. So you bring it here like this. Good. Alright, now I'm going to adjust it like this. I'm going to put it right here, and then change the blending option from normal to overlay. Grab your eraser tool, alright, increase the size, okay, and then let's get rid of the lower part like this because we don't want it. Okay, good. Now I'm going to position it like that, increase it a little bit. Okay, so I think this is okay for me. Click on this guy. Good. Now for me, the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in our subjects. It's this man right here. Drag and drop it like this. Rasterize the image, and then go to the select tab right here, and then click on subjects. I want to remove the background. Alright, so now the subject is selected, you come here and then you add the layer mask. Good. Now I'm going to adjust it like this, and then I'm going to put it right here. Alright, now the next thing I'm going to do is to add my first text. So grab your text tool. Alright, and I'm going to add my text, but first let's change the font style to Montserrat. If you have Montserrat, you use Montserrat. And I'm going to add the text. Alright, click on this guy here. I'm going to do some adjustment to the text. So let's change the color. Okay, first let's change the font style here to black. Alright, and let's decrease the spacing. Then let's increase the size to, let's say, 50. Good. And I'm going to put it right here like this. I'll come to FX, click on blending options. Alright, now come to gradients, overlay. Then let's change the colors. So I'm going to change this side to something like this. Alright, click on OK, then change this side to something like this. Alright, and I'm going to click on OK. Now you can go ahead and then play with the angle to suit your own liking. Alright, so I'm going to go in for 20 degrees, and then let's select the stroke option. Let's toggle the stroke option, and then let's change the color to white. Click on OK, and let's decrease the size to 5, and then click on OK. Good. Now on your keyboard, press and hold the Alt key, and then drag the forex text to create a duplicate. Alright, good. Now let's change the text to trading. Alright, now click on this guy here. Alright, and then let's reduce the size like this. The forex text should be bigger than the trading. All right, so I'm going to position it like this. I'm going to use my arrow keys to position it well. Okay, and then I'm going to add my next text. So let's create a duplicate of the trading by pressing on Ctrl+J. All right, and then we are going to change the text to masterclass. Good. And let's turn off the effects and then change the font to Typography. All right, and then I'm going to do some adjustments to it. We are maintaining the color here. All right, we are maintaining the color here. So this is the color code, and I click on OK. And let's see, increase the size, and let's see if we can. Okay, so I think this is okay for me, and I'm going to position it right side like this. All right, okay, and the next I'm going to do is to go to our folder and then drag and drop this chest image here. Click on this guy, rasterize it, and then grab the magic eraser tool and then get rid of the background. All right, and I'm going to adjust it like this, and I'm going to put it right here, and then click on this guy. Go, and next I'm going to do is to make a duplicate. So Ctrl+J on my keyboard to make a duplicate, and I'm going to put it right here like this. Awesome. And this is what we are going to do. Select the first chest that we brought in and go to filter, go to blur, and then go to motion blur. Now we are going to use the distance as 40 pixels, and then the angle should be 25 degrees, and then click on OK. Select the second one, go to filter, and then because we've already set the motion blur, just click on it like that. Now next we are going to do is to draw our shape. So go to your shapes and then select the rectangle tool, and I'm going to draw my first shape like this. Okay, change the color. So this is the color folder we are using, almost the same as the background but a little darker. All right, click on OK, and then let's change this to, let's say, pixels and see. All right, this is okay for me, and let's give it a stroke. We want the stroke to be green, very green, right? And the size should be 1 point. You know, make sure that you choose the stroke options. You select the first one, and this is what we are going to do. Come here and then reduce the fill to something like 70%. Now reducing the fill will reduce the color of the shape itself, but not the color of the stroke, and that is what we want to do. All right, so you can go ahead and then even further reduce it more to, let's say, 50%. It's okay. Good. Now you can just adjust it to your own preference, and this is what I'm going to do. Go to the shapes again. All right, select the rectangle tool, and then on top here just draw the shape like that. Adjust it very well. All right, now let's change this to say 20 unity. Right, this is okay for me. Now let's add some gradient overlay to it. All right, let's change the colors. I'm going to change this to the orange, the green color that we are using. Click on OK, then change this to the green color, but this time around you want the dark, right? The theme. Click on OK, click on OK, and then you can as well go ahead and then play with the angle, right, if you want. And for the style, I'm using linear. Let me see if you can do some adjustments here as well. Okay, click on OK. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is okay for me. This is the color code. Click on OK, click on OK, and then click on OK. All right, now I'm going to fast forward the video and then add my text, and then we'll continue from there, right? Because I don't want to waste so much time on the text. Alright, now I have all my text in place. So the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my shapes. Alright, and then select the polygonal tool and then press and hold the shift key on your keyboard to draw the polygonal shape. Alright, good. And this is what we're going to do. I'm going to adjust it like this. Alright, now I'm going to put it right here like this. Alright, and then this is what I'm going to do. I'll go back to my shapes again and then select the ellipse tool and then draw a perfect circle by pressing and holding the shift key, and then I drag my mouse to draw a perfect circle. Alright, a very minimal circle, and then this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it right on top of the polygonal shape and then change the color. So we are going to sample this color here like this. Click on OK, and I'm going to adjust it like this. We are going to make a duplicate of both of these shapes. Alright, so select all the two shapes, the polygonal and then the circle, and then you make your duplicate. Alright, so I'm going to press on Ctrl+J to make it the place, and I'm going to drag it down like this. Alright, Ctrl+J again to make a duplicate, and I'm also going to drag it down like this, and then finally Ctrl+J and drag it down. Now from here, the next thing you're going to do is to go to your shapes again, select the rectangle tool, right, and then draw a shape right below this. Alright, I'm going to put it right here and then adjust it like this. Okay, so this is okay for me, and I'm going to change the color to the background color, and then bring it forward. Please click on OK, and then let's rasterize the shape. Select the eraser tool and then let's decrease the size. Okay, but this is what we're going to do. We are going to just get rid of the cut of it like this. Alright, and then grab your text tool and then add your text, which is going to be the amount to be paid, which is the $50. And I'm going to put this right on top here like this, and then I'm going to adjust it like this. Okay, let me increase the size to 12, and I'll put it right here like this. Alright, then next thing you're going to do is to create a new layer. So click on this guy to create a new layer. Right now select your pen tool. Alright, and then from here we are going to make a sketch like this. To start from here, you click, then you come here, can you adjust it like this. Right, good, and then you close it like this. Cannot adjust it like this if you want. Right, so I'm going to, okay, so this is okay for me. Now I'm going to click on this guy right here. Now I'm going to change the color to the background color here, and I click on OK. Alright, now head over to your folder and then drag and drop this image right here on top of the shape we drew with the pen tool. Click on this guy, right click on it, and then create pen mask. Good. Now change the blend mode from normal to either overlay or soft light, and then in this video we are going to use soft light. Alright, right now create a new layer on top of it, and then select your brush tool. Alright, make sure that the soft round brush is selected. Then you have the foreground color as this is the color code. Click on OK, and then create a clipping mask for the layer that you created. Alright, and then let's reduce the size to, let's say, 800, and apply it right here like this. Alright, so you can go ahead and then stretch it out if you want, and I click on this guy right here, Alright, and next we are going to do is to create another layer. Alright, so this is what we are going to do. Let's create another layer, and let's grab our pen tool again, select the pen tool, and then this time around we are going to start from here. So you click, and then you click here, and then you adjust it like this, right? And then you close it this way. Now let's change the color to the foreground color. Go to your folder and then drag and drop this image right here like this. Alright, so now create a calligraphy mask, then change the blend mode to soft lights, and then create a new layer on top of it. Create a calligraphy mask, select the brush tool with the same foreground color. Alright, so now let's apply it here like this. Good. And this is what we are going to do. Select the second shade that we drew with the pen tool, which is this small one here, and then come to the properties option here. And we are going to increase the feather, alright, all the way to, let's see, to 40.1 pixels. This is okay for me. Alright, let's do some adjustments here. Okay, alright, now I'm going to do some adjustments here. So let's see, instead of the soft light for the texture layer that we use as the clip mask on image, right, instead of using the soft light, let's use the overlay so that it can create that difference between the bigger shape and the smaller shape that we drew with the pencil. Alright, and next I'm going to do is to bring in my last resource, which is this arrow here, and I'm going to adjust it like this. I'm going to put this right here. Okay, click on this guide. Now head over to your shapes and select the rectangle tool, and then draw a rectangle shape like this. Alright, change the color to the background color, which is this one, and then give it a stroke. So let's see, click on OK, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm still going to select the shape tool again, right, the rectangle tool, and then use it to divide it like that. And then change the color episode. The color is already selected, right? Now let's select the big shape base rectangle here, then decrease the fill. Okay, so I think this is okay for me, and then let's see if we can leave it. So in T, okay, this is okay as well. So now I'm going to add my text. Good. I'm going to do some adjustments to it like this. Change the alignments, and then change the color to white. Click on this die, click on this die, and I'm going to put white here, and let's decrease it like this. Alright, click on this guy, and I'm going to press on Ctrl+G for duplicates. Drag it here. I'm going to put the dates here like this. So 14th January, and then we have 2026. Alright, now at this moment you can pause the video, or you can exit the video because we are done. But then I'm going to add some color grading to make our image look beautiful. So first I'm going to select the image. Let's click on it, and then click on convert to smart objects. Head over to the filter, camera roll filter, and I'm going to do some adjustments here, basic adjustments. Alright, so let's see. Okay, let's come to saturation in the vibrance. Click on OK. Alright, this is okay for me. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, hit on the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I drop new tutorial. Until I come here with another video, I'm out.